Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 20i, and today I'll show you how we can connect AirPods to this device. So at the first we have to open notification bar, click and hold the Bluetooth icon, and when we are here we have to open charging case of our AirPods. Then we have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking on the white color. So click and hold. Right now release the key when the indicator blinking, tap on the switcher into the Bluetooth. And when the AirPods pops on the available devices list, we have to simply click to connect them, then tap to pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. So that's how you can connect AirPods to your Honor 20i. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!